Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'd like to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much, and also my returning ones. Thank you. It's week 5 of June, the last week for my savings challenges stuffings. Last week, was it last week or week before? The time is just going so quickly. I think it was last week. Yeah, I decided that I'm going to start alternating my savings challenges just so a lot more of the envelopes can get a little bit of something each week. I have my mini money matters today that I will be stuffing for. I've also got my July that I'm starting as well, because if I can get ahead on anything, I'm happy to do that. And also I will be stuffing a couple, one or two surprise new challenges and I'm looking forward to that. All right, as usual, I've got £140. I do have some money coming to me that from some side hustles that I've been doing, so I can't wait to get that. But in the meantime, there should be 140 here. Let's count: 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Right. And I will start with my mini money matters. That one's completed. That one's completed. I'm going to put £5 in this. Just get the jar. My jar with all my pens that I use on a regular. And I'm going to colour in one. Shall I colour in, or I'll just mark it off like that. But these ones I'll colour in. And that gets 5 today. And then let's see what else. I've got the have a heart. I'm going to do £10, £2 a heart. So I'm going to do the remaining £10. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that will get 10, and I will just mark these off. I don't think this is the same color, but it doesn't matter. And that one is completed. That is the same color actually. Great. We'll do a wafty wafty. Right, the fruit salad will get £5 today. What fruit am I going to mark off today? Last week I did the banana, which is my favorite fruit. Is that a kiwi here? Okay, we'll do the kiwi. Right. Did I put the £5? I did, didn't I? Yep. And then we've got the Daisy Dosh. I did £10 last week. The total is 20, so I'll do £10 as well today and mark that off. So we've completed this one. This one was £1 per daisy, so that's completed now. And then the adventure awaits. I will just mark off one today, which is £5. I'm doing £5 for these ones. I'll do the hot air balloon today. And then the treasure trove, I'll be saving £30, and each line is £10. So I will do the top line today for £10. That's 3 and 4 is 7, 8 and 2 is 10. I'm just wondering if I will do this mini book again once I've completed it. I'm not sure. Let's do a wafty wafty. And then the sweet treats will get £5. And we'll do a wafty wafty. And then the sunflower savings, I will do £5 for that. So that's 2 and a 3. Did I put £5 in for that? There we go. And that is that for the mini book. Okay, that one is done for another week. Let's see what we've got here. $10, $20, $30, $35, $40, $45, $50, $55, and I'll just change some of this up. That's 10, 20, 55, and I'll just put this back here. That's, yep, that's 20, 40, 50, 55. That's right, and goes into this lilac binder, and I'm using just one envelope for the whole mini book. I'll have a look, see how much we've got so far. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So £130 out of the mini book so far. And then I would like to, I think I'm going to come back to this one. I would like to do my July. And the big icon usually gets £20, so I'll just colour this in. Not bad. Not bad at all. So that gets 20 today. And then the 52 weeks will get the last 10 on the row of 10s. I've got quite an amount in here. I won't count that up for now. And then the next thing I have is the knockout 9, that I want to do one line, just depending on how much I have to put in. I will do purples today. and I can't remember what, oh dear, I think it was this one and the pink. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, so that's 4 and a 3. 4 and a 3. I think I'm going to knock out the 7. And that's 2 and a 1, so that's 3. Eight. That's good. Good. I think last week I did 19 and a 4 and a 1, that's 5. I'll do the 5. Come on now, come on, please, come on. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 1, and let's do the 4 and the 1. Better than last week, I can assure you. 6 and 5, that's 11, 9, 10, 11. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. That is amazing. 8, nothing for 8, so I've got £6 to put in there, and I've got the coins. I'll put the coins in. Let's do another one, shall we? That's a 5 and a 4, that's a 9, so let's do 9. And 6. $10, 8 and 2, or 7 and 3. I'll do 7 and 3. 7, 5 and 2. Oh, that went off, sorry. That fell into my lap. 3. Nope. So that's 8, 10, 12, 13 pounds. That's 13. I'm just going to get the coins actually. So the first one was £6. And this one is 8, 10, 12, 13. So I'll put that back and do 2, 3. That's it. 13. Great. So I'm done with this one for this week. And I'm going to put the coins in here. This is where the coins go. Lovely. I'm going to start a couple of these ones, which is the wafty. Isn't that wonderful? It's so lovely. Look at my piggy. My God, my piggy clips. great. I love this. I love this wafty wafty. Right, so this wafty wafty is going to get £2 per letter, and I will put £10 in today. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I will colour them in pink. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'll put that £10 there, and let's do a wafty wafty. Yay! All right, and I said that I wanted to start the 50. Let's have a look. Yeah, the 50. So I'll do one line, and each circle is £2. So I'm going to do one line for £10. And I will colour that in, let's do it in a green. And these are all from our lovely Esther at My Money Matters. So now that I've got my wafty wafty, I'm allowed to wafty wafty any one of them now. Oh, this is so funny, really is. And I think that's it for today. I have got 5, 10, 15, 20 pounds roll over, and I will that's £10 for my wafty wafty. And I made these envelopes. I thought, let me try my hand at making some for myself. As long as I'm not using coins, then it's fine. So I was really pleased with that. And my 50 is, this will go in here. That's lovely. And let me just put this roll over money away. I think I've got £5 from last week's rollover. Let's have a look. Yep, £5 from last week's rollover. £5. So I've got 25 now, I think. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oopsie daisies. That's lovely. And I'm done for another week. So there we go. And yeah, I've started the July 1 week early. I really wanted to, so I can try and knock that out of the way. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.